Hey, what's up, guys? Titus Things back here again with another episode of Roblox. Today, what we're gonna be playing is some Wild Revolvers. So basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna kill a bunch of people. It's gonna be great. Pew! Hit. Yeah. Oh, you think you could do it? No. And I'm the new sheriff in town. Gotcha. Some of you may not know this, but I am a bit of a sharp shot. I am a bit, shoot. Okay, that didn't happen, I swear. Oh, hey, phew. Good day. Alright, come on, let's get this guy. Phew. God, they've set up a fortress. You need to infiltrate them. And shoot. What? Oh. I am. Alright. Let's kill this bad boy cowboys. Alright, got him. God, I am not doing very good, huh? But hey, it's content. Am I right? Yeah. That guy, he was on a bit of a kill streak, wasn't he? Alright. Now we gotta defend to hold down the fort. And one thing I don't like about this game is how, like, it doesn't really, like, when you get shot, that's the one time it will never make a bullet shot noise. So it's actually kind of annoying. Shoot. I get fallen. Insert bad vine. Come on. Shoot. There, buddy. Gotcha. Last stand. We gotta kill these guys. Wow, as I say it. Oh, we're gonna lose. Yay! We did it as a team. On it. There. Oh wow, this guy's pretty good. I really wish that the intermission didn't take so long. Now you gotta sit here and watch me do things with no purpose. Walk around this barren wasteland. Let me just say, make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And yeah, and I'll keep on making these absolutely fantastic, great quality, high good, don't do finish at 3 AM, gone wrong, gone sexual videos. That was a mouthful. I like this map. It's the big thing right here where I'm putting my mouse over. It's a nice place to go. Oh, I'm still the sheriff in this town. We get to go right up here. Right off the bat. Ooh. Shoot. We both missed. Pew. I am really not doing my best. This guy. Let's see, let's go up here. Yeah, you better hide. Got him. Ew. Sometimes I go on, like, kill streaks. Like, just kill everyone. I'm playing this game. Alright. Ah, shoot. There goes my hat. Why does that guy have a dog on his shirt? Oh, wait. I'm an idiot. Commentary! Woohoo! Oh my god. Alright, he's dead. Let us rejoice. Right. Oh, come! I was just about to make it. Just about to make it. He has to step in. He has to just mess it all up. It's gonna go so well. It would have been rad. Could have been cool. Now. No! Oh my god, I am not doing well. Maybe. I want to shut up so I can like zone in, but then it will be even worse because I have no commentary at all. I don't talk. And commentary's why you're here. And not because you're my friend that I made to subscribe and is for some reason deciding to watch one of my videos. Wait, how did he shoot me from that angle and then I get pulled towards him? Yes, got him. Where did he come from? Did anybody see that? He like teleported into existence. What? Okay, battle is this way. Yeah, got him. It's dangerous to go like out in the open. Then like anyone can see you. Like Randolph. I saw him. I thought he was just hiding behind a box, but no. He saw me. He did. It's a thing he did. Alright. I'm gonna try going this way, like up and over and around. Randolph was here though, so not sure if it'll be safe. Okay, yay, it's safe. And finally I can rejoice upon my wall. Oh, wow. Isn't that nice? How did I do? Oh wait, no, I thought I did second best, but no, I did seventh. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Oh, welcome back to some more content. You know, just for you guys, I'm gonna buy a thing. I'm gonna go to the store. In case we're gonna get a common case. Purchase that bad boy. Hold on, winning a common case. Open it up. It's free. Abstract text and deep freeze machines, dino, raving rabbit, dark cannon, donkey, raving rabbit, snow, and sweet. Get sweet, my boy. No, wait, deep freeze. Oh, getting dinos. Okay. Oh, gonna be. Alright, we get this. Here you go. That's the content of the video. Amazing, greatness, amazingness. You're the one who can kill it. Alright, let's go to the canyon. Canyon's rad. I like this map not because it's like fun to play on, but it just looks cool. And just, you know, just has a nice aura to it because it's just a little town in a little canyon right beneath railroad with. And it has water down here. And I just like the feel of it. It feels like a nice place. Cowboys and sheriffs, all with guns and dying. But they can't die because they will respawn forever. Why am I sheriff again? Third time in a row that I am sheriff. My dino gun though, guys. Can you see it? Isn't it radical? Why didn't I get that kill? Oh, what? Oh. That like pinpointed me in the head. I feel like... Got him. Boo. 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 Oh my god, are you serious? That was sad. I am disappointed with myself for that. I had 3 Okay, really? My shield goes down the second he shoots at me. Alright, they're all over there. Phew, got him. Sorry I kind of silenced that. I really just kind of feel like I need to stop talking so I can actually do good, but no. I'm gonna keep talking because otherwise this video is even more pointless. How do I, what? Are you okay, that is stupid. That is stupid. You saw that. He is just sitting here. My God, are you kidding me though? Like, really? How many times can I say, oh my God, are you serious? How many times can I say it in a different way? Ooh, bad boy cat. Oh God, no, it's him. It's him. This guy who's broken. Alright, oh, come on. Of course he. Alright, he's gonna. Oh, come on. There we go. Finally, I have not gotten a kill in a while. Oh, and it was a headshot too. That was pretty rad. Alright, where are these guys? I am ready to brawl. Seriously, where are these guys? I'm lonely. I need a cowboy friend. Got him? Ah, man. Alright, I'm gonna get that guy. Get back here, you scum. Scum. We both got each other. Yeah, but sometimes I'll have like little plays like that where I just have a little kill streak. Alright, well, guys, I think that will be it for this video of my channel, Guys Things. I will see those of you that actually watch me in the next video!